Join us on today's adventure as we race up Australia's east coast by plane, train, ferry, car, and just about everything in between. From the iconic sights of Sydney to the sunshine of Brisbane, we're on a mission to explore.
Alright, the next destination is a complete and utter tourist attraction. It's we have to go and see it because it has a set that's locked for these things, but that's the whole reason we need to get a picture. Oh, babe.
I'm not happy about it.
Are you excited?
No,
this one doesn't smell, so it's cool.
Any ideas what it is going?
Alright, stay tuned. We got an hour and a half drive until we see the big.
And get our very first look at what could become our next big project. Is this the start of a brand new chapter? Let's go.
Well, good morning, everybody. It is currently 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're getting ourselves ready for a day.
Alright, so we made it on the plane. We are headed to Sydney this morning. It's 5 a.m. flight.
6.
Feels like 5. Nice and empty though. So that's cool. Yeah, we got there in time. Unfortunately, when we parked the van, what happened?
Well, we got there, and Chris was like, oh, go to the parking. I'm like, are you sure? He's like, yes, let's just go to the parking. It's the parking. They're like, we're only leaving at 5, and then they only open the doors at 5. So we only left there at 15:15. Check-in was closed at 15:15, so we missed check-in, but luckily we did it on our phones. So there was a little bit of an issue with his pram. A little sweet talking. We got ourselves on there, and yeah, now we're off. So let's go.
Small faux pas. We went one stop in the wrong direction.
There is no we in this situation.
I mean, I panicked. The train was on the station. It was like, we're leaving now. I was like, alright, jump on, let's go.
In the wrong direction.
Hey, you're seeing more this way. Anyway, so now we're heading into the city centre, hopefully, when the train arrives. Jack's just woken up. And we're making a plan with the pram, as you can see. Because we forgot the keys. That's it.
Because we need the car chair.
Yeah.
Hi, baby. Hi.
hotel.
You know when you're in a posh hotel and the guy downstairs says, obviously I'm going to something. I was like, yes, I'm checking it, thank you. He's like, oh yes, the lift is this way. Anyway, it's quite cool in here. It looks quite posh, I must say. Would help if we push the button to actually go somewhere. Right, so we're going to be tourists because tomorrow's a big day, and we'll tell you about that a little bit later.
Alright everyone, I figured out where I'm going to take Priscilla for dinner tonight. Cafe de Moon. She likes to complain a lot.
It's Cafe del Amone.
Yeah, well, it's the same thing. You're moaning, aren't you?
This guy.
So we have to walk all the way around because as we came up the escalator, Priscilla wanted to video the whales and she realized she didn't record. So we're walking now about half a mile because the other side wasn't working.
And you're gonna thank me because it's really cool.
Yeah, never mind that we only have one day.
Anyway, here it is.
Sing out blue whale, old man in the water, slow motion, ocean river, carry on into the sea.
I hope you don't mind, but I want to take a quick detour. A couple of weeks ago, we were lucky enough to witness these incredible humpback whales during their annual migration. It was a moment I would just like to share with you.
It's a little bit of a bumpy ride, but I think we're almost there. So we're thinking the whales are pretty close. But up until now, it's been a bumpy ride.
Moving closer to breaking waves, wild country, full of heartache, hard to hear through all the ringing, what the silent deep is saying. Sing out, blue whale, old man in the water, slow motion, ocean river, carry on into.
Anyway, let's get back to today's adventures.
Alright guys, we haven't told you why we're here. Tomorrow's the big day. But first, today we're going to be tourists. And we're going to start out at the Maritime Museum, check out a couple of boats and maybe jump on a submarine. Alright, cool. So we're getting the tickets quickly and then we're going to hop aboard.
Alright, well, Christopher is allowed to go into the submarine and I am not. I've just been perusing a little bit on the outside and I got myself a little bottle of water. But I think I found our next project, guys. It's small, but I think it's possible. Nah, I'm just kidding. Anyway, enjoying the sunshine here, just waiting patiently.
this is the attack periscope. If that's being used, they're going to try and hit somebody.
So this is a British designed submarine. There were 6 sent over to Australia, and they went obviously to Scotland, I think, probably for training. This was run up until 1999. They were still using this. Apparently a very effective submarine. Actually blows your mind. Even the smell in here is just next level. It's cool. The engineering that goes into this is just next level. Wow, can you imagine the maintenance? Alright, so we're just tapping on, we're about to board a ferry in Sydney Harbour. We have absolutely zero idea where it's going, but we thought, hey, it's arrived, let's jump on. So, oh, and there it goes. Bye-bye.
Jack reckons the Opera House was a success and now snacks are definitely needed.
Change of outfit, he's had a change of a diaper, and now he's enjoying a snack.
Did you have to really do it? And so after a long day of being tourists, we headed back to our hotel where we watched the sunset from our room and ended off with a little bit of food before bed. Good morning
from Sydney.
And it's a beautiful morning. We have a beautiful view behind us. We were very spoiled last night with our hotel room. To wake up to this was quite spectacular. But I guess we have to tell you why we are here. Why are we in Sydney?
We're in Sydney this morning to check out a boat. Thankfully after the last video, one of you guys got in touch with us and told us to come down here and check it out.
ASAP. So we did.
Well, we came down, but we haven't checked it out. So
it's on the agenda today.
That is the mission for today. So we're gonna pack up now in the hotel room, take this view just one last time, maybe grab a cup of coffee on the go, get on the train, head over. It's about 30 minutes, I think. And yeah, hopefully it's a pretty cool boat. The guy said it's one not to be missed.
Fingers crossed it's the boat for us, because as you know, we are boat people and we love being on the water. So if this is good, it's good to go.
Yeah, I think we've kind of decided that
it's happening.
Yeah.
But we have to see it in person, you know, come on.
Alright, let's go and have a look and we'll take it from there.
I don't know what goes through babies' minds, honestly. They go to sleep in one place, the next thing they wake up in a different place.
Yeah, that's why he talked to us. You went to sleep, he was like, hey, wait a minute, we're in the hotel room.
It's all very confusing.
almost fall asleep? Alright, we've just arrived at the camper van place ahead of schedule because we thought we'd swap things around so we had transport. So we're just going to try and pick it up a bit early, so hopefully everything goes as planned, and then we're off to the boat.
Okay, let me hit pause quickly to explain why all of a sudden we're getting into a camper van. So we thought, instead of just flying back from Sydney to Brisbane, what better way than to see the coast than to hire a camper van, which is what we've done. So we hired this camper van through a relocation deal where rental companies need vehicles returned to another depot. It costs just $1 a day with a refundable insurance deposit, a set return deadline, a fuel contribution, and unlimited kilometers or a capped mileage situation. Not a bad way to explore Australia. We have 3 days to take this camper van from Sydney back to Brisbane and see as much as we possibly can in the interim. And call us crazy maybe because, you know, we do have an 8-month-old baby with us. So things could get interesting.
Alright, so we've just arrived. It's only been 10 minutes basically in the van, and Jack's already trying to decide if he likes it or not. So.
He's just tired.
How are you, Mr. Boy? You okay? We bought him a new car seat as well, so Australian standard. I think he's graduated out of this one now. Alright, babe. Is
Right.
this going to be the one?
This is the deciding factor, guys. I am a little bit nervous, excited, apprehensive, all the words.
Alright, let's go see.
Quick update, we're just getting into a boat because it's not actually on the marina pier. So we have to, I think it's moored out in one of the bays. So the agent's taking us now to go and see it. This is where we are. It's gonna get a little chilly.
This thing though, we get in the boat, we start going, and he's like, yeah. So you've come from, I forget where he says now, but someplace. I was like, nah, we didn't. And then he realized that we're a different Chris. Apparently there's 2 Chris's coming to see 2 different boats on the same day. So interesting. Anyway, he's going to get the key, and then we'll be off again.
Our very first look at what could become our next big project. Join us next time as we continue this journey.